we're going to start by taking your sock and turning it inside out. Then we're going to take it and lay it down flat with the heel resting right there. Now you're going to take your pen and you're going to draw some crewmate legs right above where the heel is. Perfect. So now you're going to thread your needle. I gave you two colors, black and the color that your plushie is. I gave you two colors because this blends in better, but if you're not used to sewing, the color that matches your sock is going to be very difficult to see. So I gave you the option to use black, which is what I'm going to use because I'm still getting used to sewing. So you're going to thread your needle. Shouldn't be too hard. Right through the eye. You pull it through. Oh, sometimes you drop it. Now you're going to pull it through and double thread it. So that means you're just going to have the two ends meet of the thread, and you're going to tie it right up here where they meet, okay? Okay, so the first stitch I'm going to show you is called a back stitch. This is one stitch forward, half a stitch back. So watch. So one stitch forward from the front to the back, and then going from underneath about half a stitch back. Alrighty, so one stitch forward. Be careful not to poke yourself. And then half a stitch back. One more time. One stitch forward. And half a stitch back. Now follow this along your legs, and I'll show you how to close out the stitch when we're done. So I think one of the easiest ways to close out a stitch is like this. When you're here, going to do one last stitch down, but we're not going to do half a stitch back. Okay, you're going to sort of use the needle to lift up a loop like that. Now it's kind of hard to see, but a little loop. You're going to stick the head of your needle through the loop, and you're going to actually just repeat that a few times. You're going to just sort of twirl, go like this, alrighty, and then loop the thread, the loop around the needle, and I'll bring it up close so you can sort of see what that would look like on the needle. Oh. And then you're going to pull the needle through like so, and that's going to create a little knot. Okay, now you can cut off the excess. Now we're going to cut the legs. Make sure not to cut the thread by accident. If you do, you will need to go back and try to redo it. The middle part's generally the hardest. Just try your best, go slow. No need to rush this. Okay. Now we're going to cut a very tiny hole in the front, very small, because this fabric is very, very stretchy. So all you literally need is just a really tiny hole, and it'll rip, but you don't want to rip it too much. So you're just going to cut a little hole so you can turn this back out, and let's see what we got. Push the little legs through. Alrighty, this is our shape for our Among Us plushie. Now we're gonna start with our stuffing. Going to grab a bunch, as much as you could really start fitting, and then push it through the hole and right on down to the legs. So first you're gonna fill one leg like that. I tried to give you a little bit of extra stuffing just in case. It's hard to tell exactly how much will fit. Okay, that leg's not quite full. Alrighty, and all of this is for the bottom half. Alrighty, then I'm gonna grab a little bit more for the top. You wanna have a nice round figure. You guys know what they look like. Okay. So once you get the general shape, you sort of want to like push in with your thumb like I'm doing to create a little hole, because this is where we need to put the visor. And you're gonna want it to have some room. So sort of how it goes in, concave, just like that. Okay, next step. Okay, for our visor, we're going to take the white sock. You're gonna find the heel, and we're just sort of going to cut that out. Okay. It's better to leave too much on than too little, because you can't really put anything back. So you just really want to make sure that you have the heel part and just some extras, okay? So this is called a running stitch. It is fairly simple. What you do is you take your needle. Let's see, this is going like this. You're just going to start literally just going up and down or through, and just pull it right through. And you're just gonna do that pretty much almost the entire way. You wanna start trying to make an oval shape. So keep that in mind, because this is going to be your helmet or a visor. So I think it's easy to just sort of like accordion it right through like that. And then push and pull. Alrighty. As you're sewing, you could start grabbing some stuffing. Alrighty, and as you sort of pull it, oh, that was too much, but it'll sort of cinch up around it to start shaping that nice oval. So just keep making a running stitch all the way around, and I'll show you how to close this one out as well. It'll be a little different from the one we first learned. So this is really just to secure the shape. It's not a true stitch close. It's called a zigzag. You're just gonna go across and back. This does not need to be fully closed. This is just so we don't lose that oval shape that we tried so hard to get. Okay. And if you want to just make a little knot right here. Grab a little bit there and just pull that. All right, and then we can cut that excess. Next, we're going to place our visor right into Okay, now to get this to stay, we're going to be doing our third stitch. This is called a ladder stitch. All right, so what you do for a ladder stitch is 1 stitch in the body, okay, and this one is a little difficult. It's going to definitely take the most time. 1 stitch in what you're attaching. You see? And you just sort of rotate as you go along. This one you might want to try using the thread that is the same color. So in the body and then on the visor. Now you kind of want to, when you do your ladder stitch, the one in the body, you want to pull it back a little bit so you can get onto the sock that's going to be hidden so you don't see it as much, okay? So you're just gonna do this all the way around, and then okay, now we're going to take the shaft of our sock that we discarded before, you're going to turn it inside out, and you're going to start another basic stitch. This is just going to be up and down. Up and down. You're going to do this on both sides and leave a small opening right up here for stuffing. Alrighty, when both sides are stitched except for this little opening, as you can see, I had some trouble myself, and I'm just gonna kind of turn that out and pretend it's not there. It's all gonna work out fine. So we're gonna put this inside out, and then we're gonna stuff it. And this is going to be our backpack. To attach the backpack to the plushie, we're going to do another ladder stitch. So, and I didn't close this little part because I'm just gonna actually wind up closing it with a ladder stitch, I think. So, 1 through the body and 1 through there. Through the body. And then 1 through the backpack. And we're gonna just do this all the way around once more. So to close this out, what we're going to do is make 1 stitch, right? And if you see the loop forming, put your finger down like that. See how it sort of stops it from closing? Take your finger out and then put that through and pull. Do that a few times to make a nice knot, and we're gonna close that stitch out. And now this is your Among Us plushie, made from just a few socks and a few simple threads. Well, mine may not be perfect, but I think they are pretty cool. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.